What up, baby? Saturday morning. Um, this was Thursday. All right, let's go to our 30-minute Thursday. Actually, let's look at this because we dropped off. Boom, boom, boom. Made those levels off the 15-minute chart. Yeah, let's go to 15 because it looks. Yeah, that's not helpful. Let's go to 15. There we go. There we go. So we made these levels here, right? We bumped up. That was our entry before. Look, we rolled over there. That's a level. We closed there. We have that closing point pre-market. This is, again, reviewing Wednesday, Thursday. Okay. We opened up below. Never really had any follow through to like the levels from Wednesday. Made some lows. Made whatever. This was sideways. Thursday was sideways. Really tough to make any money Thursday for me. And then there's another level, right? So we go to Friday. A lot more movement. All right. Let's see if we have. Yeah, it's like the opposite of this, which was Wednesday. We had this down. All right. And then Friday back up. Let's see where we closed Friday. 395.74. 399. Okay, where's 395.74? We're about right here. So we cleared this, but we're still not up to here, the 397. That's gonna be a big spot. And of course, 400. Probably gonna short that for 4 straight days. Anyway, let's get to Friday. This was my big play. Let me go to the 5-minute chart just to show you guys exactly. Dude, I didn't set up my chart like correctly. Here we go. There we go. Gotta make sure my OBS is good. It's not. Setting up my with the viewer scene. Sorry guys. Sorry. This is free. Who cares, right? It's free. So what are you gonna do? Complain? All right. I think that looks good. Who cares, right? Who cares? As long as you can see it. Okay. So this is the price action from Friday. Closing 1 day ago, high of a day ago. That's messed up. Let me fix these. Let me show you how to fix them if you want. BB levels. Days ago 1. Okay, so I have to take this off and put it back. BB levels. There we go. Watch, it's gonna be better. See, there we go. High of a day ago. Right here. Now, why do I care about that? So we never tested the low from a day ago, right? Low from 1 day ago. We never tested that. So to me, we're bullish if we're still within yesterday's range on the swing low. Okay. So we never got there. So I'm looking calls, right? As soon as this holds, I was like, all right, and it held this spot. Let's just go to here. Looking at the opening price action. I know I have a lot of lines on my chart. I'm sorry. I usually like much cleaner charts, but I'm trying to show you guys something. So we opened up, and this level is what held. That level, okay? Pre-market it held, and in the opening dip it held. Okay. Don't know that that's gonna happen. You're like, all right. Oh, look at this. It's that last like area of the close of the day. So close of 1 day ago, right? We'll highlight that. I'll just do that. Very important level. Always have that close like marked. Okay. You have it marked and you bounce right off of it. Now you have a couple levels here. Oh my lord. Couple levels here. You have this area, which is here and here. This is like a zone, right? You can make a rectangle across your whole chart. Boom, right? This is it. Like I said, you can make a zone. Okay. See how it's like that? I can make a whole rectangle by going like this. Yeah. and saying like, oh, this is a zone, and I could extend it to the bottom right point. Okay. I'm just showing you that you can extend that. I'm going to take that off because I have way too much stuff there. All right. Then we have our high a day. Fine, it's a rectangle. Fine. Fine. I like the bubbles. High of 1 day ago. Okay. Why is that important? Because we broke it here. Okay. I'm going to take off the BB study because I honestly don't really have it on when I'm actively trading. I just go like this. Double click, and mark it myself because I don't want all those levels. Okay, all these purple levels on the chart are from my other video. Okay, I said I want levels below and above the price action, and so I gave that to myself. So I would have had this level here, which is not quite the low of the day, but is a level from the other day. So we came up above that level, above the high a day, and I'm like, all right, it's still consolidating though, right? So we didn't get like quick follow through. Like this was like quick follow through. Okay, and what I mean by quick follow through is this. Quick follow through. I want a flag, like if you're playing 0 DTEs. This is a little flag. Okay. Little flag. This is a little flag. Done this on every video I've made. This is a little flag. You could go here. I'm going to go there just so you kind of see that price action. Little fading up. Even 3-bar play, but it stops here, right? So we got into calls on this one here, this flag. It was right here because of this level. Okay, we broke that and retested it. We broke it and retested it right here. We got into calls right there. Okay, we broke it, retested it, 80% entry. Very confident entry. Okay, and it lines up with this. We broke it up here. That's a 40% entry. Okay, because it could bust up and down. It's done that a million times. Okay, but we got in on the retest. Okay, this is where we entered calls. Some people got in here. Good for you. Pre-market low. I don't get in that early. I don't know because I always get faked out. Let me try and zoom just so it's okay. So then this was chop contracts from freaking 8:10 to here. That's 2 hours on a 0 DTE. You're probably losing 60% of your like value. All right. So then look for the dip before the rip before the dip. Okay. It's hard to tell, right? Because we're ripping here. What I just say? Look for the rip before the dip. But this is building. Okay. It's not like a flash candle, like a one impulse candle. Okay. So let me zoom out so it's a little easier to see. Yeah. So I'm looking at this level. I have this marked. Look at that. I had this marked from before, dude. Right there. Oh, okay. Yeah, because it's high day yesterday on the wicks. High day on those wicks. Okay. Look, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes that price sat there on Thursday. Okay. And look at this inverted head and shoulders. That is nice. Okay. It went like this. Once you study, you just like see the patterns. It's kind of like a V. Okay. That was really nice on Thursday. I totally missed it, by the way. I was watching this falling wedge though. But I missed it because I didn't. This what faked me out, and I was like, oh crap. So I should have got here. Look at retest. It didn't even retest here. A lot of times it'll retest lower. But anyway, let's stick to what we're talking about. So we got this here. This candle. People, bulls gave up or something like that. Who knows what happened? And let me just show you high a day. Okay. Let me extend this to show you, just like I did before. Extend to the right now. I want to extend to the right. All right. So there's my rectangle, my zone. Bounced up off of it. Okay. I had it marked with just a line. And as soon as we got here, this is what I wanted. I didn't even want calls. I said in the Discord that this structure broke down. Okay. We wicked under. And then when we got here, I said, I'm looking for puts. Because what I wanted to happen was this. I wanted us to go under, retest, puts right there, and die. That's what I wanted. That didn't happen. The complete freaking opposite happened. We bounced up, kind of retested it here. I know it's a 5-minute candle, so it's not red, right? But you have some movement down, meaning the 2-minute candle probably went like that. Let's see, do I have the 2-minute? The 3-minute. Let's see if the 3-minute has any red right there. Yeah, there we go. Oops, look at the wrong spot. See the 3-minute candle, okay? Retested here, went up. Okay, that would have been a good spot to zoom in to. I was watching the 5-minute, so you know, whatever. I'm not too terrible at seeing the movement while the 5-minute candle is forming, like it's wicking up, boom, and just like in the morning, here. Remember, I said we had this level here, because of that pre-market action. Okay, so we have the same thing here, right? And I'm going to go off, see how it's crooked? That's going to bug people right away, right? I'm going to go off of this line, not that line, because I want to go where it's touching more. See how it's just writing that? It's probably still crooked, but it doesn't matter. If you really want it to not be crooked, go here and do the price line one. See how it's like that? It'll go like that. Okay, and if I'm doing one that's different than my other lines, like those daily lines and stuff, I could just like make it yellow or something, like make it bold. There you go. You could even go like super fat, watch. Oh crap. Properties. Look, I could be like 5. See how it's super like that? Make it a solid line or whatever. Or that. I don't even know. That. You can do whatever. Anyway, let me stop playing around. So I'm watching that level. I'm watching this level. I was looking for this. The opposite happened. As soon as we got up and I was watching that candle wick, I was watching volume. Do you see this? Oh God, I'm on the wrong thing. This movement here. Let me expand. Yes. As soon as I saw this happen, I was like, oh wow. And this is a fake out city, by the way. Like that got people. But look at that. Look at that volatility. Huge volume coming in, not moving. Which to me is a little bit bearish. See that sell volume? Now look at this sell volume. Bulls gave up. All of this buy volume happened and the price didn't move. So I think bulls gave up. But look at this build from here to there. So anyway, like I was saying, this happened, kind of wicked, and then I was watching this volume go up here on this candle, okay? So that was really nice to see. And when let me tell you guys something I love. When I see a candle like this, that is all selling, look at that. Let me see if I could even zoom in there. Yeah, see how you can't see any buying? It's like 99% sell, okay? When I see that and price, oh my God, and price is holding, that is like super bullish. So it went like that. Yes, it dropped some. I'm not saying it didn't drop some, but it didn't like go to here, you know, like $2. It went from $3.92, 10 to $3.91, so almost $1. Okay, but it, like I'm saying, this much selling, I would expect more. Anyway, so yeah, that didn't happen. The opposite happened. Off of a zone. Okay, AOI, area of interest. I don't have another zone here necessarily. Okay, I do have this level here I was marked out from earlier. Remember I was saying that? So I am watching that, but we got right through it. And I think the reason for that is this. We knocked on this door a million times, up and down. We knocked there and knocked above. This is going to break it, but it broke it and did not follow through. As soon as I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh. And I was typing in this Discord, and I said, wow, we have a follow through candle. Like this one was green. I know it's little green, but boom. And I added this dip. I added this dip with calls because I did think it was going to do this, but I was just waiting for another wick up. That was it. Okay. So I had the wick up and I scaled some out and I just held some. This was all before that. I was like, oh snap. Anytime I see a flash drop, I'm like in the other way. Like if it goes up like that and a fat one, I'm getting puts too to scalp it. So yeah, just got lucky there, but huge to see that this is an area of interest as far as it being the high of the day from the previous day. That's why we have the yellow rectangle there, okay? As we see, there's no level above, so it's gonna slice through, right? If there's a level there, I didn't have it. So I was like, oh, we have a lot of room up here, but not a lot of room down. So we're like on a concrete floor. Good luck breaking it. That was my mentality. And yeah, calls went 922%. 922%. I sold it like a minute before close. So, all right, love you guys. And if I didn't make sense, I'm sorry. I just woke up. But yeah, let's see what we do next week.